Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video, I'll help you how to fix Instagram confirmation code not sending. So guys, if you want to log in your Instagram account and you have activate your two-factor authentication or any security for any security purpose and you not be able to receive any confirmation code from Instagram team. So guys, how can you fix this problem? So guys, easily you can fix this problem. So guys, let's start without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, simply you need to open your settings in your phone, and guys, after opening settings you need to click on Wi-Fi and make sure that your Wi-Fi is proper connected with your phone. So guys, if already connected, then you need to click on Wi-Fi, and guys, click on forget this network, and guys, after this you need to connect it again with your phone. And guys, after if do not have Wi-Fi, then you need to open your mobile data in your phone, and guys, the second method is you need to scroll down, click on app management, and guys, after this here you need to click on app list, and here you need to search Instagram. So I am searching Instagram. So guys, here you can see you need to click on it and click on storage and cache, and guys, after this simply you need to click on clear cache and clear storage and click on OK. And guys, after doing this, the third method is you need to update your Instagram app. So guys, how can you update? So guys, simply you need to open your Play Store in your phone, and guys, here you need to search Instagram and click on Instagram, and here is the option of update. So guys, simply you can update your Instagram from here. And guys, after doing all the things, your problem will be fixed and you will be able to receive confirmation code of Instagram. So guys, if still not received and still not Instagram team will send on you confirmation code, then guys, you need to restart your mobile phone in which you have Instagram app and any phone number or Gmail address in which you want to receive your confirmation code. So guys, after restarting your phone, then your problem will be fixed, then you will be able to get confirmation code easily. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.